At Bluescope Lysaght, we make powerful promises about the performance of our products. Our research and development department in Sydney, Australia, is where our product's performance is put to the test. Product testing to any of the global standards is why the Lysaght brand continues to lead all competition. In this video, we will see how new products are developed, how they are prototyped, and the range of tests our products must pass before they can go to market. And we'll prove you can rely on the promises we make about our products.
At R&D, we believe in testing, testing and more testing. We test to determine the performance and the installability of everything from tiny components to entire systems. Our laboratory is set up so that we can develop a concept, go and build a prototype, and then go out and test it. We test the components of the system and then we test the entire assemblies. We develop the design rules and then we test the installability of the system. This is how we develop a complete picture of the performance of our products. And this is why you can trust Lysaght products to perform as we promise. Our rigorous product testing is what sets Bluescope Lysaght apart from all the others.
The R&D department's knowledge of cold roll formed steel products is unique. No one in the world knows more about these steel products than we do. Let's look at how our engineers use the various tests to determine product performance.
This is a cylinder 4-point load test rig. It is used to model uniformly distributed loads. For instance, this power deck formwork for composite concrete slabs is being tested to see how it performs under the weight of wet concrete. We can determine from these tests how long the formwork will span and the maximum load it will take. And because formwork setup and loading is very similar to construction site conditions, the span tables we develop can be relied upon. This device performs the slip block test. We use it to measure the bond between the concrete and the steel formwork. Our testing predicts accurately how composite slabs with structural decking will perform on construction sites.
This is the universal testing machine. We can use it to test several things, but today we have set it up to test the connections. Here, we measure the forces required to pull out and compress different nails and screws. This way, we test the design of connections. This is the truss test rig. We can use it to test full-size truss systems. As you see, first we test the components and connections, then the entire truss system. This way, we get results we can rely on.
Creating walling systems is one of Lysaght's strengths. This test equipment measures uniform forces on walling systems up to 3.6 meters high. The wind loads are simulated by the airbag and the loads from the roof are exerted onto the frame using the hydraulic pistons. Using this method, we are able to investigate the behavior of our wall framing system under any loading condition. While in most parts of Australia, earthquakes are not generally an issue, many of our customers' countries experience earthquakes. This machine places racking forces on the frame, which allows us to simulate earthquakes. Our cold form section racking capacities are well above the requirements. This machine performs the standard push test. We use it to determine accurate shear stud capacities for different decking profiles. The shear stud capacity is important for the design of composite beams. This enables us not only to design composite slabs, but also the entire floor.
Our testing also includes water penetration. We measure the amount of moisture through claddings, louvers and other items exposed to the elements. As you can see, our testing can accurately simulate anything nature can throw at it.
Our testing here at R&D is the most accurate available anywhere in the world. Our universal pressure rig was developed here. Unlike the airbag system, the universal pressure rig allows wind or pressure to act perpendicular to the bottom of the cladding. The result? Well, it's the most accurate result you can get. We can simulate wind. We can simulate the force from wet concrete. We can simulate fatigue loading for cyclonic conditions. We can simulate the pullover of fasteners. I guess when it comes to cladding, it's our pride and joy.
But it isn't enough for us to test physical properties. We need to know our products are easy to install. We test products from cladding to house framing systems to make sure it's easy to use. The Research and Development Laboratory has a fully equipped workshop for the creation of prototype products. And we can prototype everything from components through to complete building systems. The R&D lab is registered with NATA, the National Association of Testing Authorities, and operates under an ISO 9001 quality system. We work with government bodies such as the CSIRO to conduct testing on our behalf. As this quick tour of our facilities has shown, Bluescope Lysaght has the ability to test virtually any force acting on steel building products with great accuracy.
As important as test results is our ability to make best use of them. We use the test data and our engineering expertise to develop powerful software which provides total building solutions. SuperCAD allows the customer to model their requirements for a wide range of residential and commercial buildings. Architectural features such as roofs, openings and materials can be varied, as can the arrangement of these components. The software uses the customer's model and the inbuilt Lysaght engineering knowledge in the design of a structure to withstand the site conditions. The system then produces quotations, structural design and certification documentation, as well as detailed site and assembly drawings for trusses and wall panels. The customer can then electronically transfer component details directly to the Lysaght manufacturing equipment, saving time and reducing the possibility of error.
Our PV-Lite software allows Lysaght engineers to easily input site and building data to carry out structural analysis and structural design. This enables them to produce accurate drawings and bill of quantities for quotation. The software will also directly talk to our roll formers so that the structural components are punched automatically. BondDeck and PowerDeck software allow structural engineers to use our composite decking most effectively, saving them and their customers time and money.
And there's much more exciting new software under development.
In this video, you have seen how the R&D facility of Bluescope Lysaght is not only a world-class testing facility for cold-formed sections, but a provider of innovative building solutions. R&D Manager Cam Seckham has the last word.
Our objective is to work together with our customers to fully understand their needs so that we can develop world-class solutions. Our comprehensive testing capabilities enable us to thoroughly evaluate all aspects of performance, and that's what we do. Because of our commitment to excellence at Bluescope Lysaght, you can be confident that every aspect that needs testing is tested. Every Lysaght product is 100% performance tested. That's our promise to you.